I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create a TModLoader server. First, you'll need to download the server files directly from the official TModLoader website. Make sure your system meets the necessary requirements for smooth operation. Once downloaded, create a new, dedicated folder on your computer to store all your server files. This keeps everything organized and easy to manage as you proceed with the setup. Next, locate and open the server config.txt file within your server folder. This is where you'll customize your server's behavior. You can set the world name, define the maximum number of players, and establish a secure server password. For friends to join from outside your local network, you'll also need to configure port forwarding on your router, typically using port 7777. To launch your server, simply double-click the Start TModLoader server .bat file. A console window will appear, displaying server activity and any potential errors. Keep an eye on this window to ensure everything is running smoothly. You can also input various server commands directly into this console to manage players, change game settings, or handle specific in-game events. Finally, to add mods, simply drag and drop your downloaded TMod files into the mods folder located within your server directory. After adding or removing any mods, it's crucial to restart your server for those changes to properly take effect. This ensures all new content is loaded correctly. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.